Hi, are you getting this error while placing the publisher ID or AdSense Google AdSense code into your website or a blogger? So the error is the widget settings in the widget ID is so and so that AdSense one is not valid, and you cannot save this. When you click on save, I'm getting this error. So let us see how to solve this error. So basically, with me what has happened is there is, I mean, if you go back to your browser, I'll just check discard. So there is an entry added here called earnings. Under this there's a publisher ID enabled, but in my case I have a different publisher ID. So if I add my new ad code, it is, I think, conflicting with what is already enabled, right? So again, this is applicable for my case. You can help you also. So what I'll do is I will comment out the earnings, or I mean this widget I'll comment out. Let me show you how I do this. Okay, so another important aspect is this file is little large, so you cannot manipulate the way you edit this file in some other notepad or something, right? So okay, so it's not there, so I'll try to save it again. Okay, so here it's failing. There's a widget called AdSense 1 and there it is failing. So we need to navigate to this widget and remove the section. So to do that, we have to go to that location and see how to uncomment or comment or take out the section. So I will not be able to edit this within the blogger edit page. I mean, in this page, what I'll do is I'll copy the entire thing into a notepad and see which location the AdSense one tag is displaying. So I'll just do, I'll copy paste it here and search for AdSense one. So here it is, right? So which line it is present? I think I have to edit. Okay, so 3147, that's the line number. 3141, 147, right? So I have to go to 3000 line and see for that AdSense one widget. Again, this is a problem with, okay, don't edit anything here, search here, no, I'm not getting. So I'll manually navigate to the location. It's difficult little. Okay, see here, right? So this is the guy. So what I will be doing is I will be commenting this widget settings, right, until this, from here to, so I'm just commenting. Actually, this is how you comment an HTML code. So this is where I have to enter the tag, right? So this section is now commented. Let's see if it works. Let me see, I'm doing right way. So this is a widget and the ending widget is this. Yeah, I'm doing right way, right? So anyway, take a backup before editing. So I have taken the backup, so I don't have to worry. And now I have commented. Let me save if possible, if it works. Okay, so there is another AdSense too. Let me see, where is it? That's in 3173. Okay, that is another one. All right, let me see if it works. Yeah, so this is how you do, how you edit, or I mean, if you have this problem, AdSense one widget problem, you can comment the section widgets, AdSense widget section, and add your ad code. Thank you for watching. See, comment below if it helps you.